Let someone who's been doing this for a while and playing around, and that's just what they've been doing in their free time, do it. It's kind of back to when social media was taking off. You know, I started marketing right on the cusp of that. I was also really young when I started. And so I remember having older gentlemen, marketing people, 20, 30 years in business of marketing, but standard marketing, typical, your radio, your TV, your newspapers. And then they saw me come in and they're like, you're coming with us. We need a social presence. We need someone who's understanding what's going on. I think AI is going to be the same thing, right? There's so much that we can do. I've used so many tools over the years, but are we like so up to date on every single AI tool that's out there to make videos, to, you know, make certain things happen? We're really trying to stay at the forefront of it. But yeah, a lot of times it is bringing in a little bit of the younger generation that's just been having fun and going wild with no restrictions, if you will. But it just comes a little more naturally to them because they've been in front of all these other tools now for so much longer than we were.